Hi guys, welcome to the session. My name is Prakash, math tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. Given the area of the equilateral triangle is 49 square root 3 centimeter square. As taking each angular point as center, the circles are drawn with the radius equal to half of the length of the triangle. So here first we need to find the length of the side, length of the triangle, and half of that length is the radius of that circle. And then we need to find the area of the triangle which is not included the circle. Given, and we know that the formula to find the area of equilateral triangle is half into AB sine theta. Here in equilateral triangle the sides are equal or same, so A is equals to half into A square sine theta, where A is the side of the equilateral triangle. So we just assume just A into A, so which is A square, the side of the equilateral triangle which has same lengths, and the angle, so we know that the angle will be if three sides of the triangle is same, then it's equilateral triangle and the angle will be 60 degree. And area is given, which is 49 square root 3 centimeter square. Now find the length of the triangle, side length of the triangle, which is nothing but A value here. So if we plug these values into the formula, we'll get 49 square root 3 is equals to 1 by 2 into A square into sine 60. So we know that the sine 60 value is square root 3 divided by 2. So 49 square root 3 is equals to 1 by 2 into A square into root 3 divided by 2. Now we have root 3 in both sides, so just cancel that root 3, and we have 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2. So 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 becomes 1 by 4. So 49 is equals to 1 by 4 into A square. So if you move that 4 to this side, so we'll get 49 times of 4. So A square is equals to 49 times of 4, which is 196. A square is equals to 196, and the value of A is 40 centimeters. So A is nothing but the side length of equilateral triangle. So the length of the side, length of the equilateral triangle side is 14 centimeter. And it's given in the question itself that half of the side length is the radius of the circle. Half of the side is equals to 14 divided by 2, which is 7. So the radius of the circle is 7 centimeter. Write down the radius of the circle, which is 7 centimeters. Now find the area of the included circles. Since it's equilateral triangle, the areas are included inside the circle. So we need to use the formula which is 3 pi r square theta by 360. Theta by 360. Here r value is 7 because the radius of the circle is 7, and pi value is 22 by 7, and theta will be 60 degrees. So 60 divided by 360. So we'll get 3 times of 22 is 66. 66 divided by 7 into 49, and 60 divided by 360 becomes 66 or 360, so we'll get 1 by 6 here. Now simplify this one. 7 sevens are 49, and we have 66, and in denominator we have 6, so 6 11s are 66. So we have 11 times of 7, which is 77 centimeters square. So this is the area of the circles, included circles inside the equilateral triangle. Now finally find the area of the triangle is not included the area of circles. Find the area of the triangle not included the circle. For that we need to subtract the total area of the circle minus this area of the circle. The total area of the triangle is 49 square root 3. So just subtract 77 from 49 square root 3. So 49 square root 3 minus 77 centimeters square. And square root 3 value is 1.732. So 49 times of 1.732 becomes 84.87 minus 77. So which is 7.87 centimeters square. So we can conclude that the area of the triangle is not included in the circles is 7.87 centimeters square. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.